I was thinking about how to explain our next topic, past continuous. The past continuous is a verbal tense that we use to talk about actions that happened in a specific moment of the past. In order to form it, we need the verb to be. As you know, the past tense of the verb to be has two forms, was and were. I, he, she, it was. You, we, they were. The structure to make a sentence in past continuous goes like this. Subject plus verb to be in past tense, was, were, plus verb in ing form. Let's see it with the verb to read. I was reading, you were reading, he or she was reading, we were reading, you were reading, they were reading. It's quite easy, right? Let's see some longer sentences. Carlos was shopping at the supermarket this morning. Kate and Ewan were waiting for Anna when he saw them. What about the negative form? Very simple. We use the verb to be in its negative form. The structure is subject plus verb to be in past tense and negative, wasn't, weren't, plus verb in ing form. Some examples. Carlos wasn't shopping at the supermarket this morning. Kate and Ethan weren't waiting for Anna when he saw them. We can also ask questions in past continuous, of course, like this. Auxiliary verb to be plus subject plus verb in ing form plus rest of the sentence. Here you have some examples. Was Carlos shopping at the supermarket this morning? Were Kate and Ethan waiting for Anna when he saw them? Perfect! That was the past continuous. One more verbal tense that you can practice. So now you know how to make sentences in past continuous. Let's talk about when we can use it. First, we use the past continuous to talk about an action that was taking place in the past and that was interrupted by another action. For example, I was looking for my glasses and I found my keys. So I was doing one thing and something else happened. That's why I combine past continuous, I was looking, with past simple, I found. Let's repeat the sentence. I was looking for my glasses and I found my keys. The second use of the past continuous, when two actions take place at the same time. In these kinds of sentences, we often find the word while. For example, I was singing while I was having a shower. She was working while he was playing with the children. And the last use, we need the past continuous to talk about actions that were in progress in a specific moment in the past. For example, 5 months ago, she was studying. I was living in Brazil in 2005. We were still working at 8 o'clock last night. Okay, enough past continuous for today. Check the book if this was too much and you can't remember the first use. And do some exercises. They are very helpful.
If someone says to you, "Don't cry over spilled milk," don't look for spilled milk literally. No. To cry over spilled milk is a very well-known idiom that means that you shouldn't be upset about something that you cannot change now. For example, "Okay, so you forgot your keys. It's fine. Don't cry over spilled milk." "I regret what I did." Don't cry over spilled milk. What is done is done. Nice expression and good advice too.